came across this box. It's so pretty, y'all. You would think I got this at Hobby Lobby or something. Isn't that pretty? It just says feminine all over it. We're gonna zhuzh it up. But what I thought when I saw this was kind of the same thing. To do like a thoughts for mom or blessings or whatever. So I'll show y'all too how I did those cards up, and we'll get into that after we decorate this box up. I'm gonna go ahead and get to painting. In case y'all are wondering, our Dollar Tree actually started carrying just recently the things that are more than $1.25, and this is one of them. I thought that was interesting. I thought, oh, they've got all this great stuff, and then I realized it's still a good price, but it is more than $1.25. So what I'm gonna do with this, I think, it's got a little latch on the front. You could use it for anything, but I thought, man, that'd be perfect, right? So we're gonna combine these and make a really soft color here. I've got these two colors here. Just in case y'all are wondering, I always like to tell you this is Craft Smart paint. It's called light pink, and then the other is also Craft Smart, and it's just called Pink Blast. This is one of my favorite colors, but I think I'm gonna mix these two, and I even have a little bit of white over there in case it's not exactly what I want. Now, you could go ahead and take this off with these little screws. I keep a screwdriver in my caddy, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna try to be real careful going around it. Another thing I'm gonna try, I've not actually done this before, but I've seen it done, so we're gonna see how it works. I've got these letters, also from Dollar Tree. You can get them anywhere. I thought it would be kind of cute to put these letters on the front of this and spell out mom. And we're gonna see when I paint over that if it's gonna leave that. It may be too light to notice. It'd probably be better if you used a darker color paint. But y'all, I like my pink. It's soft. I just thought if I can get that on there to look right, that's the problem. Gotta get it just right. Well, we're gonna see. All right, I'm gonna add these colors together. I gotta get this painted so we can bling this thing up. I don't know that I'm a fan of using such small, that's all I had. If you used bigger stickers, it probably would look better. I always try stuff on here so that y'all can see. Real time, that's not too great, but you can kind of see it. I would use bigger stickers. These were too little. Just so y'all know before you try to do it. Now let me go over that, where that was. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks so far. We're gonna get this bling wrap out. Okay, I'm just gonna do as thin as I can. Y'all, it doesn't, if you only know, this is not very wide. It's like too wide, so you do have to be a little bit careful. Wear your finger protectors. And all that jazz. You need to kind of work with it quick. Y'all, we're getting somewhere. You'll see that? It's already changed the look of it. Let's see, this is about, is that 3 or 4 wide? It's 4 wide. So y'all, I'm gonna go around the lip of this. Here we go so far. This is how I did the back. I just did 2 rows since we had the little hinges. Now the hinges are gold, so that's kind of, but can't help it. That's what it is. All right, here are my thoughts for the top of this. I was thinking I would take some of this beautiful soft pink satin ribbon. We're gonna make a little bow. Now this isn't long enough to make a shoelace bow. So a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just, let me get this other end dovetailed right quick. I like them sharp. So I just take it and do it like this. If I can get my fingers to working, almost like an infinity ribbon. And then I just tie it That gives us a perfect little, almost shoelace bow, but you don't have to use as much material. So I just use twine. I've noticed some other people started doing that. Y'all, that's always been my choice because it's so easy and it really ties it on well. That other stuff can be slick. So I like twine. Y'all can use whatever works best for you. I have dexterity issues too, so it helps in that area. Alright. Now once I get this knotted, I can cut off that twine. I'll stick this on here. It's kind of bigger than I thought it would be. You don't have to do a bow. This is just my take on it. And I also have to see how it's going to work. Oh, that's going to be cute. Cute, cute. Right in the center of this. Get my finger protector. Okay, because this is round, I think we're going to stay with this pretty, I like the pearl. I thought the pearl would give it a little bit of something instead of just using the rhinestone. So I'm going to put that on there best I can. These are, I always tell people they have heft is the word I use. So you have to really hold it down because there's, you know, they have weight to them, which is what you want. I'm just going to hold that down. I'm loving this. What do y'all think? Can y'all see that bow? Do y'all like the bow, or would you have just put the bling? I thought that kind of just softened it a little bit. It does make everything pretty. It doesn't really matter what you're making, does it? Anyway, so that's what we have. Now here is my idea for the take on the blessings jar. Y'all can write anything you want, obviously, but I took some really pretty paper. I have one of these pretty little, they're like organza bags. You can get them anywhere. I've even seen them at Dollar Tree, but you can get them at Hobby Lobby all day long over in like the wedding section. And what I did was I found one of my scrap paper books that has a lot of the pretty like roses and pink feminine kind of paper, and I just cut them. Basically, I measured it 2 rows on a ruler, and then I just folded it in half. You can write sweet notes in there, whatever you want to do. This is just an idea. You can put them in this sweet little bag if you want, or you can just scatter them in there. It really doesn't, whatever you like, and just toss it in there. Maybe give them some jewelry or something. All right, I'm so glad y'all like this. Y'all try it, and I'm sure whoever receives it will love it. Y'all.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.